For some of our bad habits, beautiful teeth are ugly. Starting from bleeding gums, darkening of teeth, etc. In addition, betel nut or smoke is responsible for creating black spots on the teeth. Today I will show you teeth whitening at home. So let's start. Fast, take 1 tablespoon ginger, grate in a bowl. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that make your mouth tissue healthy. It is the basis for white teeth and a healthy smile. Adding ground ginger to savory or drinking ginger tea promotes anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger root is very good for the prevention of gum diseases as it is considered a healing herb. Add 1 tablespoon garlic. Allicin is one of the major components of garlic. It has been shown to aid against oral flora imbalance by helping to keep bad bacteria at bay, which can contribute to dental diseases. Garlic also contains antifungal and antiviral properties which help promote strong and healthy teeth and gums. Add half a tablespoon salt. Salt water rinses are also recommended to help reduce the discomfort of a toothache at home. In this same way, a salt toothpaste can help disinfect the mouth and reduce inflammation in the gums. Additionally, salt can stimulate the production of saliva, which promotes strong enamel and helps remineralize teeth. Add 1 tablespoon toothpaste. According to the American Dental Association, ADA, toothpaste is important to oral health because it helps to remove plaque and its bacterial buildup on teeth and fights off periodontal disease. Most toothpaste also contains fluoride, which bolsters tooth enamel and fights tooth decay. Mix well. Now it's ready. You can use it every day. Once a day, brush your teeth for 2 or 3 minutes. If you continue each day, you would have beauty teeth. You can use it for a week. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.